not only is it our due diligence to make sure everything lines up beforehand, but it's during the project. If we're going in and doing the demolition and framing, we have to know our team, as far as the skilled laborers, the project managers, the superintendents, on what is following next, and how we frame it needs to be done correctly, so an electrical box can go in the correct spot, so we're not crossing electrical and plumbing in a certain wall. So there's a lot of things that we just have to be aware of, and when we're designing it, but also when we're building it, and when we're making sure each step is being done, we're making sure that there is no callbacks or there is no reworks because HVAC guy went in before the plumbing guy, and now we have nowhere to put this 4-inch stack because they ran a duct line right through that bay. There's a certain process and procedure and timeline on how to follow and direct the right way, and that's really a huge benefit of working with, like I said, any skilled general contractor, but more importantly us, because we take the time to make sure we're doing it beforehand, but also during, to ensure a timely, efficient, and on budget project.
Yeah, I think the short way to say exactly what you just said is, how many people do you want to hold accountable? Do you want one person to hold accountable and then have us hold accountability to everybody else? Or do you want to do the exercise in herding goats and try to keep 18 different contractors accountable with a bunch of finger pointing? One person to hold accountable, we're happy to take that accountability and deliver on what we've promised.